idea that I wanted to share is more related to the kind of collars we all wear probably, and we know sometimes, we don't know. Every one of us must have been relatively familiar with the idea of thinking hats, different kinds of thinking hats we all wear to have different notions in the mind for various situations. It is more of a similar concept that I thought should give an idea what I wanted to convey is the hats for the idea part and the collar for the action part. So there are many actions, colors to the actions that we do at various places, various phases, and which has a direct impact on all of us. So let's see how I perceive that kind of situation. Yes. So I was in a software profession from 2005 to 2012, 7 years, and then I shifted my profession and came into civil services. And then I realized how important it is to be really passionate about something which you want to achieve, and also how perseverance makes a lot of difference, because like a lot of people, like a few days back there were new results that have come up for the civil service examinations where people have got into services like me and my seniors and my juniors. Many attempts it takes. I took 3 attempts to clear the exam. It was not easy. But it was really passionate to actually achieve it. Shifting the careers and continuously having one thought in mind for a long period of time shows how perseverance really can make a difference in your career or in your life actually as such. So I feel myself, when I was trying to see what I should talk to you all when I come and stand up here, I was looking at my own things, what I was thinking few years back. So I just highlighted one point which I felt I should share with all of you. This was like 7 years ago, maybe 8 years ago, while I was preparing, and second attempt, if I am not wrong, and I couldn't clear the exam. Then I used to have some blogging. So I felt myself I might not clear the exam, but though I am confident that I will, and it actually happened maybe a year and a half later. And it should not in any way make me ineligible from analyzing something I know so well. So that kind of action-oriented thought process, if we can have, and I'm very lucky probably that I'm able to get it, and most of you will be able to possibly do it at your level as well, would probably actually help us in achieving or in reaching what we want, and in actually making us believe and go and stand where you want to stand. So this point I wanted to mention because I was doing a lot of writing that time to just express my thoughts to myself. So this is one good thing that I was able to do. So this is one point I wanted to mention. Friends, our idea thought processes are influenced by what we read. So while I was preparing, I was reading this line: the punishment for the wise men who refuse to take part in the government is to suffer under the government of bad people. I hope you understand the seriousness and the importance of such kind of lines, and understand when you are actually trying to go into the government, and when you read such lines, how impactful can it be in your entire thought process. So what I am wanting to say is, reading is important, writing is important, not just because they are good skills to have, but because they will show you who you are. They will show you to be really happy. I can see the pride in their eyes, that whether they are really happy about me or they really want me to see something I am trying to be. That the inspiration that you get from such kind of small acts is exceptionally strong, that can make a sitting person stand, a sleeping person awake, to make him awake. So what they don't know is how much strength their beliefs were giving me at that time. Wherever I go, I keep remembering them, and I always make a point to mention their invisible contribution to where probably I am and to what I am doing. The most important thing what I am trying to say is what I am doing. Everything that has happened probably has a reason, but everything that has happened has to be connected to where we are going, and that is where I am trying to bring the colors and connect them to the milestones. Since it's Berhampur, I am from Andhra, I know Telugu, some of you must be knowing Telugu, and I want to ensure that I mention this. The last line that I have highlighted is in Telugu. I'll read it. It's a movie. Some of you might have even seen the movie, I hope. It explains what is there so much good about the success. It will show who you are to the world. Try and fail once, you will see the world. So that is what this line says. So it's not about winning always. Yes, it's winning. We all want to do better in our life. We all want to go better ahead, do good for us, for our country, for our people, for our town, for everybody else. But once in a while you try and watch and fail, and you know where you are. You can see the entire world. And I have failed so many times, 3 times on record, 3 times on record, maybe 30, 40 times off the record. So it showed me the world where I want to place myself, where I want to see myself, where I want to stand and work myself. So these are the simple, I might actually show it to others. And maybe it's a dream come true, I'm actually able to show this to you. But you say that the Aukat partner, the audacity of actually thinking that I actually can show this photo to others can give a very positive vibe to not only you and to all the people around you. And I hope it gives positive notes to all of you as well. The blogging, where you can share your thoughts to yourselves, I'm not saying to others, to yourselves. The reading part, where you can find your soul. The friends part, the family part, where you can see your soul in others, your own inspirations, your own aspirations in others' eyes. This is entirely a learning process which can take you somewhere. And the entire learning process also depends on sharing process. So if learning is a process, sharing is a habit. The book reading, the writing to yourselves, somebody writes diaries, I'm not just saying blogging, anything, any kind of writing, any kind of even talking to yourself. Reading, again, same thing, any kind of reading, any kind of watching, movies, articles, even TED Talks. Anything that can help you learn, you again just reflect it back and throw it out as sharing and make it into a habit. Through this entire journey, I cleared the exam, I came into the services, I started working. Within the job as well, there were some trainings, there were some learning periods. So where I felt while I was working in one of the projects for providing water supply to a very remote village, 2 people have really worked hard. And I remember on the same day, I came back home and I thought I should write this down and I should never forget them. And every once in a while, we meet people such like them who inspire the soul. I don't even need to say their names, all of you don't know them, they are my friends. But such kind of souls exist in every chair that we are sitting and in every Corona chair that we are leaving away. These people touch your souls, maybe by their work, maybe by their thoughts, maybe by just being there, and you should never ever forget them. I will never forget them because they are always the inspiration for your soul. If your soul is alive, while doing the mundane jobs, while doing your routines, while you living your lifestyles, once in a while they touch your souls. So I have remembered them as my watermans. Anything that I do with water, I remember this name Prasanna. I remember few other names. Anything I do in God's forsaken places within this state or even other states or maybe elsewhere, I remember them, yes, they have done this, I will do, and probably it will work one day. We were able to provide water supply, we are happy for it, but the soul has, the inspiration to the soul has been permanent. So I never lose, my idea of saying that is don't lose such kind of people, always stay, nothing that in a talk in front of all of you should really be something innovative or something, but traveling gives an experience which you have to keep with yourselves, the entire gamut of 5-6 points, how to convert these experiences into action. So when we travel for fun, we travel for relaxation, yes, We also travel for, again, soul searching. When I say Waterman people have touched my soul, I will not stop there. I will keep searching. So the traveling for soul searching, the traveling for for finding new experiences, the traveling to see new faces, new places, while you know that you are at some place, and you as at the same time while you are enjoying that new place, the experience that you can gather by just observing things around, absorb them, keep them as a part of your brain, and all of them will help you at one point like they helped me. The last point I was highlighting was from that experience as a travel, where we saw people who are doing a lot of work, and then which have given us the confidence, which has given us the direction. Yes, we can also do something like this. Maybe we can do much more better, or maybe we can just try it and even fail. But the way they have helped us, the way they have shared us their experiences as their at respective jobs, has given me the kind of direction, the kind of path that I should walk. At the end of the day, they can only show us the door. We are the ones who have to walk through it. So they have given us the door, the books, the travelings, the sharing. It will all give you the door, the pathway to go, and then we have to go through it. I mean, we are the ones who have to go through that. Essentially, the entire thing is a way of life. It's your life, it's my life, it's everyone's life. And if each way, the way of life that you have given for yourself will define who you are, will define who I am, not for now, but for the future. It will define who we are going to be. This is one of the good lines that I remember always, and I want all of you to just read it, even though not remember. We are the master of our own fate. We are the captain of our own soul. This was, any one of you, I don't know if you can tell, this was from one of the books, one of the poems, Invictus, where it was mentioning the hard life of Nelson Mandela while he was struggling, or while he was probably living his life 26 years in the prison. So we want all of our experiences within ourselves to decide where we are going to go, and you will be the captain of your own soul, where you will take inspirations from others, where you will be able to know life. The job is your real test. So it's just an entry gate probably. So if we prepare for the job, and if we prepare for the responsibility that we want to see ourselves in, that is where probably you can enjoy it, you will learn it, you will be able to share it, and you will be able to actually succeed, exceed, excel in it, and probably be a good hero for yourselves. I believe there is a hero in everybody. Every dog has its own day. I had my day a long time back. Every dog will have it, but the same dog will be a hero, and he is present in everybody. Believe also that in yourselves probably you will make it a habit to believe, and maybe more and more people will be able to believe it. Connect all of these milestones. Why I am saying milestones is, our milestones are our memories, our good moments that we share with our friends and families. But there are also these other milestones, the colors, the writing part of it, the talking to yourself part of it, the reading part of it, the traveling part of it, the movies part of it, the inspiration part of it, the soul searching part of it. All these are your milestones, and I have just jotted down few of the milestones I have. All these small milestones, you connect them and you see your life, and it will show you, like they say, connecting the dots. It will show you where you are. You don't need again anybody to tell you where you are. You connect your dots, you connect your milestones. If you connect your milestones that you are happy about the moments and family, you know how much happy you are or how much more happy you should be. You connect these dots, you know where you are and where you can go. And please do it now, because it can make you the milestones keep adding up, and your life stones can change the direction from now itself, if it is not helping, or if it maybe can go actually better than that. So my milestones, me working in IT sector is helping me in my job right now. I was able to bring in the IT sector agile systems. I was able to bring in the kind of efficiencies, the kind of flat structures that they have. We don't call our boss in IT sector sir or boss or madam. We just call him by first name. Except for that, everything else we were able to bring in our administration. We have tried to remove the hierarchical structures. We were trying to go for flat structures. We are bringing in efficiencies, agile systems. We are bringing in technologies. It's a work in progress, I agree, but the background milestone is helping me now. The same way, the kind of souls that have touched me, the kind of books that we have read, that those are now helping me in designing the projects. The experiences always stay with me. The entire experiences I have shown are with me as we speak, as I do my work on my table, or as I'm traveling in my vehicle to a remote location to see what's going on. They are being converted into projects. They are not projects which are taken up just for the sake of spending money or making a good design. As far as practically possible, as far as humanly possible, emotionally possible, all your milestones can be converted into a job. All your milestones can be converted into projects. They can be done, they can be completed as well. I had a personal experience with one of my uncles who have died because of paralysis, and that has really stuck with me for a very long time. Even now, I couldn't do much, but I really wanted to help people. When I got a project proposal for an advanced rehabilitation center, it just felt, I don't even know about the project details really much when I first had it, but I felt I should do this, whatever it may be. Within 6 months, we were able to design the project, conceptualize it, implement it, complete it, launch it. As of now, the advanced rehabilitation center is catering to a lot of people who need paralysis assistance, robotic therapy. The kind of emotion that has been attached to it has been the milestone that I was able to connect with myself. One of the examples that I was able to share, I have many examples I would like to share. It's not about the responsibilities even at the end of the day. The job is you. Thank you very much.